Done na ba ang chocolate pistachio craze? For me, hindi pa.
Ang dami nang naglabas ng version nila pero dito ako pinaka-interested sa M Bakery's Pistachio Kadayif Chocolate Pudding Parfait. As you can see, blend ito ng creamy pistachio pudding, meron din siyang rich chocolate cake, smooth chocolate pudding, crispy roasted kadayif, and crushed pistachios with delicate chocolate shavings on top. Ang mahal lang talaga ng mga chocolate pistachio desserts, no? But for someone who's a fan like me, it's a treat talaga pag nakakatikim ako ng mga ganitong desserts. Hindi masyadong crunchy yung kadayif on top, pero nung kinain ko sabay-sabay yung layers, first reaction ko, ang sarap! Sobrang playful ng combination ng textures nitong parfait na to. The chocolate cake is moist, dark, and hindi masyado matamis. Very smooth yung chocolate and pistachio pudding. Sakto lang yung tamis niya for us. Good for sharing na. Yung isang cup, mas sumasarap pagka-share mo yung partner mo dito. I'm a fan of M Bakery's banana pudding, and this time nag-release ulit sila ng bagong masarap na dessert. Mahal nga lang, pero pag ganito kasarap, nakakawala siya ng stress sa life. Kaya sulit na for me. Na-try nyo na rin ba to?